Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to allow camera access to Facebook Messenger. To allow camera access to Facebook Messenger, these are the steps that you can take. If you're using the iOS, open your phone settings. Scroll down and find Messenger in the list of apps. Tap on Messenger to access its settings. Tap Camera and select while using the app to allow Messenger to access your camera. You can also choose Always if you prefer Messenger to have continuous access. If you're using the Android, go to the Settings app on your Android device, which is what I'm going to do over here. Then tap on Apps or Applications. This might vary based on your device. Mine is Apps. And once you click on that, scroll through the list of installed apps and select Messenger. I've clicked on Messenger, waiting for the next window to pop up. The next thing to do is to tap on Permissions. Find Camera. The camera just right here. So once you click on Camera, then toggle the switch to allow Messenger to access your camera. So we don't have a toggle right here. We just have a checkbox. So if it's allow only while using the app, you can set that. Allow only while using the app. Ensure it is not set to don't allow. You can use allow only while using the app, or you can choose ask every time. Now, once you do that, that's just going to be it. Then you have given your Facebook Messenger camera permissions. Now head over to the Messenger app again in itself. That's it. And open up the chat. Open up any chat. Then at the top right corner, click on the eye icon and you are here. So over here, click on notifications and sounds if you need to. Okay, you have calls, you can toggle this so that you will not just have access to camera, but you can also give audio permissions. By enabling this call, reactions, messages, and all your notifications and sound settings can be managed here. So that's pretty much the process. I can go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.